When an irrigation zone won't turn on, it's easy to feel like you need to keep pushing until something changes. More checks, more digging, more replacement. But knowing when to stop is part of good troubleshooting. Troubleshooting works best when each step gives you new information. If a check doesn't narrow anything down, repeating it or escalating blindly usually doesn't help. At some point, the goal shifts from fixing the problem yourself to clarifying it. That shift matters. If you've confirmed the basics, narrowed the issue to a specific zone, and identified where the signal or flow likely stops, you've already done valuable work. Even if the problem isn't resolved yet, you've turned a vague situation into a defined one. That's progress. A good sign it's time to stop is when the next step would require digging without a clear target, replacing parts without confirmation, or risking damage to wiring, plumbing, or surrounding areas. Those are signals to pause, not push. Calling for help at that point isn't failure. It's a decision made with information. A professional can work faster and more effectively when the problem is already narrowed, instead of starting from scratch. The purpose of diagnosis isn't to fix everything yourself. It's to understand what's happening well enough to choose the right next step, whether that's a repair, a pause, or a handoff. If you've worked through the earlier checks and reached a clear boundary, the diagnostic guide linked below is designed to support that outcome. Reaching clarity is considered a complete result. Knowing when to stop is part of doing this well. Diagnosis before replacement.